Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a transparent chat to your Twitch stream via OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to streamlabs.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Streamlabs dashboard. After logging in, look at the left sidebar and click on All Widgets. This section contains all the overlay tools you can add to your stream to make it more interactive and engaging for your viewers. Once you're in the widgets section, find the chat box option and click on it. Now, here's something important to keep in mind before you proceed. You must first connect your Twitch account to Streamlabs in order to enable the Twitch chat box option. This connection allows Streamlabs to pull your live chat directly from Twitch and display it on your stream overlay. Now let's customize how your chat box looks. Navigate to Badges, and right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and uncheck or check the badge options you want to display. This lets you control which viewer badges appear next to usernames in your chat, such as subscriber badges, moderator icons, or VIP badges. Next, navigate to Style, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu to select your preferred style options from the list. This is where you can adjust the visual appearance of your chat overlay, including fonts, colors, and overall design to match your stream's branding. You can also customize your icons and extra emotes by simply toggling them on or off based on your preferences. Additionally, you have the option to hide chatters such as common chatbots and hide commands starting with certain characters. Just check the box for the features you want to enable, which helps keep your chat clean and focused on real viewer interactions. Optionally, you can add muted chatters' names per line and custom bad words in the text field to further moderate what appears on your stream. You can also customize message settings if you want to adjust how messages appear, such as animation styles or display duration. Once you've finished customizing everything to your liking, head to the right panel and click Save Settings to apply all your changes. After saving, go to the top of the chat box page and copy the widget URL. This URL is what you'll use to connect your chat box to OBS. Now, open your OBS app. In the bottom left corner, navigate to Sources, then click the plus icon and select Browser from the list. This creates a browser source that will display your Streamlabs chat overlay. Enter a name for your browser source, for example, type Twitch chat, then click OK to proceed. In the Properties window that appears, navigate to the URL field and paste the widget URL you copied earlier from Streamlabs. Once you've pasted it, click OK to add the source to your OBS scene. The chat box is now added to your stream, but you'll need to test it to make sure it's working properly. In order to show the chat, you must first try chatting in your Twitch chat box to generate a message. Go back to your web browser and navigate to Twitch. In the upper right panel, click your profile icon, then select Create a Dashboard from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your streaming control panel where you can manage your stream and interact with viewers. In the left panel, click Stream Manager to access your live stream controls. On the right side of the screen, you'll see your chat interface. Enter any message in the chat to test if everything is working correctly. This message should appear in both your Twitch chat and on your OBS chat overlay. Finally, go back to OBS to see if the chat message appears in your browser source. If you see your test message displayed on your OBS scene, then your transparent chat is now successfully working. You've now set up a transparent chat overlay that will display your Twitch messages live on your stream. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.